Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Ads for AI bidding automation setup, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Ads homepage. Click on the Start Now button prominently displayed on the page. Sign in using your existing Google account credentials. If you don't have a Google account, select the option to create a new account and follow the prompts. Once signed in, you will be taken to the Google Ads setup page. Choose the type of campaign you want to create based on your advertising goals. Select the targeting options that best suit your audience and business needs. Set your budget and bidding preferences, keeping in mind your advertising strategy. For AI bidding automation, select one of the automated bidding strategies, like Target CPA or Maximize Conversions. Review your campaign settings and ensure everything aligns with your marketing objectives. Once satisfied, click on the Save and Continue button to proceed with the campaign setup. Add the details for your ad, including headlines, descriptions, and display URL. Double-check your ad copy for relevance and adherence to Google Ads policies. After completing the ad details, click on Save and Continue to submit your ad for review. Your campaign will now be created, and you'll be taken to the Google Ads dashboard. To monitor your campaign's performance, navigate to the Campaigns section from the left sidebar. Use the analytics tools available within Google Ads to track the effectiveness of your AI bidding strategy. Modify your settings as necessary based on performance data and advertising goals over time. Enjoy the efficiency that AI bidding automation brings to your campaign management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.